Yeah, look over here. Look. What's that?
My pen.
Yeah, come here. What is it? What is it?
My pen.
Look.
What? What's that?
Do you see him?
Ouch.
Look. Do you see him swimming?
Ouch.
It's a fish. You okay?
Bite. Why'd you bite me?
No, he didn't bite you.
Come on. Come on. Come on.
Look. Where is he? There he is.
There he is.
You see him?
Here. I see him.
What's his name?
Fish.
His name is Fish.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, let's go open your other presents.
Oh. My pencil.
Yeah, this one.
This one? Oh, this one. This one?
No, this one. Open that one first.
Oh. Come on. Open.
Bless you. Okay, rip it. Pull it open.
Look at that.
We haven't even opened it yet. It's a box. Open it.
A baby. Baby Gono. Where's your baby Gono?
I don't know.
And a marsh.